Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see System and Application Associative Service for BSc Arts students. Everything I am going to explain now. So watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section and just subscribe to my channel. And this is a Accenture mass bulk hiring from System and Application Service Associative role. The package only 3.3 LP they are mentioning. All over India location they mentioned here. And the eligibility criteria all stream of branches BSc UG graduate from BSc BCom BBA MBA from year of 2019 to 2022 year, not for BTech MTech students. The candidate should be 1 year gap should not be there, no active block, 10th 12th full completion, full time job only they are mentioning, and full time course should be there, more than 9 months of experience should not be there, must be eligible to be citizen, relevant permanent document should be there. Everything they mentioning here, and this is the description and why this job and what all the project associative and eligibility criteria. Accenture has not authorized, they don't belong to any agencies, they conduct exam there by own itself. So just want to apply now. Here I have an account. They just ask me if you are created any account in Accenture with your email ID and password, so you can create. I have already account, you may go. If you don't have account means you just want to click here, just a minute, and you just want to create an account. So your name should be like this only, first name, your last name and father's name and your initial, and the photo should be black and white photo. PAN card must be there with the card. You just want to click here and go with next. And this is the role which you are already seen here, the eligibility criteria, everything they mentioning here about the elective process. And where did you find the job? Just to give job board or social media advertisement, which is Twitter, Angle, Facebook, you can give. Your name should be there. I'm just randomly give one name, Raj, and initial H, and the university college number which you are provided by your university, which is from, I'm just providing my college number, and your personal mail ID, the email ID which you will receive for the notification. No changes will be permitted post submission. So if you are giving this mail ID, after submit this document you cannot able to change. Everything they will mention only through email ID only. So give your own email ID and permanent email ID for this Accenture company. And primary contact number if you are giving, you may get a notification to WhatsApp number. So give your WhatsApp content. Yes, I am content. Give your WhatsApp phone number here. They will send you like email notification, like phone number also they will send you. And alternate phone number they mention. You just want to give your date of birth, provide a date of birth, gender, residing state which from Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, all 29 30 state and district they are provided here. So don't worry about it. You just go and just choose here highest education, undergraduate. If I mention degree, what B, not for BSc student, only for BSc student, not for BTech student. Sorry guys. And you just want to give BBR, BSc, become voluntary, everything. You just want your college name. Just want to search it here, or you can type here itself also. Font IIT or MIT, everything is here. And what all the branches they mention, everything they mentioning here. So just go with them. Instrument mechatronics, all branches they mentioning here. Year of passing from 2019 to 2022. And CGPA percentage, if I give percentage, you can give it at percentage or CGP, it's your wish. And total professional experience, no experience, you just want to give. Primary skills, and just your wish. If you know any languages, training, C++ language certificate if you are having, college project, job description, training, college training, you just give it. And select certification if you are done in this, it will be helpful and take you as a updated candidate. They mention your preferred language, English, Hindi, which language you don't know, not applicable, you just want to give. And second language if you are foreign language, no language if you don't know, just leave it itself. Job location, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, 3 location you just want to give. Pune. Year of gap, no gap should be there. Active backlog, no should be there. Accenture before I worked, no. last 3 months if you are come to exam or online process, if you are done means you just want to give yes, otherwise no you give. Your selection nationality drop down, I am an Indian. You have include project I have completed, yes you just want to give, and upload your resume, photograph and government ID, PAN card, you just want to write your PAN number and this upload your photo. Your belongs to any disability, no you should give, and after clicking I agree the terms and conditions, just want to give all the agree and submit it. This is what the application form. After submit you may get a OTP through your mail ID and WhatsApp number. After filling you may get a mail that your confirmation has been confirmed, so you will get back to you within a 3 days, like that they mentioned you. So this is the Accenture full hiring process for BSc, BCom, BBA student, not for BTech. They surely mentioned here this is not for BTech, not apply to this role. This is only for BSc, BCom, BBA, BFMS from all arts department, UG candidate and PG. They can apply MCM and MBK, MCom. So just to forward to your friends who are all waiting for BSc student after filling 2019 batch to 2022 batch they mentioned here. So apply as much quickly, you may get a exam link after 19 days to 20 days. If you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching this guy.